Shawn Clarke here at Firkins in Bradenton. I just took in this 2016 Chevy Tahoe. It's black in color. Got 18-inch wheels. This has all the bells and whistles. Tan leather interior. Power everything. Big screen. Bluetooth. Backup camera. This vehicle was kept super clean by its previous owner. It's one owner, clean Carfax, only 21,734 miles. This does have a tow package, third row seats, rear air. This is beautiful and it won't last long. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call me, Shawn Clarke, here at 2700 1st Street in Bradenton.